Why is it so hot out? 115, it's ridiculous. I swear I just saw some bats. Now I don't see them anymore. Were they there? I don't know. Then I heard ice cream man. And I was like right down the street. We're gonna get some ice cream. The girl was like, there's no music. I said, what do you mean? What are you talking about? Clearly hear the jingle. Ice cream jingle. I don't know. I might be hallucinating. Possibility. You think I'm hallucinating?